6 a.m. An antelope dies in a wire snare 200 kilometers from the nearest city. 6 p.m. That same antelope is served in an urban restaurant. This is the bushmeat pipeline. What began as local subsistence hunting has evolved into an industrial supply chain. Poachers sell to local traders, who sell to transport networks. All roads lead to Africa's growing urban centers. By 2050, Africa's urban population is expected to double. More city dwellers mean more demand for traditional bushmeat. In many cities, bushmeat costs more than beef. It's a luxury product. Eating endangered species has become a symbol of status. Research indicates an 8.2% increase in the sale of carnivore carcasses at urban markets. What was once survival hunting is now a commercial enterprise. Urban profits flow back to rural areas, funding more intensive poaching. Higher prices incentivize switching from snares to firearms. Poachers target larger, more valuable species as profits increase. Commercial demand drives poaching deep into protected areas. The bushmeat trade ranks as a threat equal to the rhino horn trade. Continental research reveals a pattern. Corruption combined with poverty equals poaching. Countries with strong governance show dramatically lower poaching rates. The Human Development Index is the strongest predictor of success in wildlife protection. Surprisingly, inequality matters more than absolute poverty. Communities with similar poverty levels but different inequality indices exhibit vastly different poaching rates. People poach when they see extreme wealth alongside their own deprivation. Enforcement alone has failed because it addresses symptoms rather than causes. Success comes from addressing root causes: governance, inequality, and alternative opportunities. Behind every wire snare is a human being making an impossible choice. Feed your children or spare the antelope. Scientific research reveals that income needs drive 70% of illegal hunting, 53% by food security requirements. Many poachers face both challenges simultaneously. One antelope can equal a month's wages in rural areas. Many protected areas were created by displacing local communities. People lost access to their traditional hunting grounds and were then criminalized for continuing to use them. Grandparents' hunting grounds became their grandchildren's crime scenes. The same money spent on anti-poaching could transform rural economies. Africa's poaching crisis isn't a wildlife problem, it's a human development problem. The solution isn't more enforcement, it's making wildlife more valuable alive than dead. The choice is clear: treat symptoms or solve the problem.